As part of the Together to Zero programme led by St Helens Chamber, Glass Futures, in partnership with St Helens Council, have delivered 4 sessions to 6 schools and over 100 students in St Helens, with the aim to inspire children and raise career aspirations into STEM and the advanced manufacturing sector. Glass Futures is a not-for-profit research and technology organisation creating the Global Centre of Excellence for Glass in R&D, innovation and training to decarbonise the glass industry and make glass the low-carbon material of choice. Combining both in-class and virtual learning experiences with topics such as history of glass, glassmaking in St Helens, decarbonisation and recycling, students have not only learned about the wonderful world of glass, but have been introduced to a career in the glass industry and the different opportunities available to them in this sector within their local community.
In lesson 3, we were looking at glass and the environment. The students learned about the environmental impact of glass production, as well as the importance and benefits of glass recycling. We also got to tell them about Glass Futures and the vision and mission of Glass Futures. We jumped on Google Maps and we were able to see where the site was, and I was able to show them some pictures of the building, and they were just really excited to see what's coming in St Helens. They really enjoyed the interactive part of the lesson because we were able to ask a few questions, and they just bounced ideas and answers, and then we read it out, and it was just really interesting to see their input. We asked about if they recycle at home and why, and we had a few answers: yes, no, they do, but they don't know why. So part of this lesson was just be able to tell them about the importance of recycling and how it's beneficial for the glass industry.
We learned about the future of glass and how it's impacting our environment and how we can help it, stop it impacting in a negative way.
In lesson 3, I learnt that they're starting to use they're starting to experiment with different ways to making glass more carbon neutral.
My biggest takeaway is probably to recycle glass, because I've not been doing that, and yeah, I need to do that.
Favourite part of the lesson today was learning about the building that was being built near Saint's ground. It was the Glass Future.
Very intriguing, because we found out that we should be recycling glass for good reasons. So.
I think the students have found it thoroughly enjoyable. I think they've found it interesting, and I think they've learnt a lot from it. Some of the answers I've just been hearing about the necessity to recycle and the reasons behind that. Some of the answers they gave were phenomenal, so I was impressed. I think they found it really interesting.